Reindeer Karting and Games Orlando is one of our best facilities yet. We have over 10 attractions all under one roof and over 10,000 square feet of event space. There is so much in this building to do. Our guests can spend the entire day here. We are a premium entertainment experience. When we were designing the building, we wanted to make sure the guests had multiple points of entertainment and information displayed to them. The device and quantity of equipment achieves that goal in that everywhere you look, they've got entertainment choices and lanes of information. We use the TVs in our building to display digital signage as far as track timing, specials and information, directional, Andretti TV that shows all of our social, and Direct TV that shows all the latest games and shows.
We chose the RF design on this new construction, working with contemporary research just for ease of installation, and it met the functionality that the client was looking for.
We provided the vision, and they provided the plan to best suit our needs.